Hello, my name is Luis Gustavo, and I'm here to present my final project for the CS50 Python. And the name of the project is Financial Indicators Analysis. My GitHub and EDX usernames are Luis Gustavo 8, and I'm from Belo Horizonte, Minas Gerais, in Brazil. And the date I'm recording this video is the 4th of October of 2024. And talking more about the project is a simple project as the main objective is to read an Excel database and find the best company for each financial indicator as net revenue, EBITDA, net margin, and leverage. And following this idea, here I'm gonna first talk about the files in my project as the readme explaining the project as the name I talked early. We have the main file that has the logic for solving this objective as I comment. The tests to to test the functions we have here in the main file, and the base itself, that is this file. As we can see here, we have eight financial indicators, all in Portuguese. And here we have the companies organized by the year, and we have a pretty extensive database with all these companies. And the object of this project as I comment is to find the best company for the indicator. Here we can see in the main file that we have the three functions as is asked in the proposition of the project. And here in the main file, I have the first function that reads Excel data, that reads the file as I showed, and return it in a data frame, as we can manipulate the data frame with the pandas uh, framework. And as it tries to read, it returns none, and as is manipulating the main function, if it can read, and prompts the user to that it can read the file. Here we have the second function that founds the best company by the indicator, and that function is pretty simple. Here we have the idea to improve this function in the future, but here we have the id max function that finds in the database, in the data frame, as in this part of the code, and return the company and the indicator. Here we use this function in the next, as we generate a dictionary with the best companies found for each one of the indicators. Here we generate uh, this dictionary, and we use this function in the main. Here we instantiate this list of indicators as we comment in the database, and it reads the file to, as I comment, get as the user for a new. It shows the user if the file is incorrect or cannot read the file, and show as a data frame. And we create a report with the dictionary as I comment, and print the list. Here I'm gonna run it, and it generates a list for each one of the indicators with the best um, company and the value founded for each one of the indicators. Here we have the best net revenue for it. Each one is the Petróleo Brasileiro SA as Petrobras, and you have this value. And for each one of the indicators, it's shown here all of the best ones found by the this function as I explained. Here we have the test file, which has one test for each of the functions in the main file, and the first one tests if the it can read the data correctly, and if it's not, it verifies if it's printing the right message. And here we we test this in this first test. The second test is the function that finds the best company, and here it instantiate outside of the data frame example to test, and it manipulates and tests the best for the best company. Here we have a test for the dictionary part, which tests for each one of the indicators and instantiate these examples to see if the function is functioning properly. And here I'm gonna test if it's working correctly. Here we see that all the three tests passed, and basically is this the project itself is pretty simple. Here I just starting this process of analyzing all the data and using Python to help me with this task. Thank you and have a great day.